guys, welcome back. So I am going to be testing out the way to clean a beauty blender. It's like the new way to clean a beauty blender. It is to use a microwave or some sort of, okay, so you get a glass of water and you of course put dish soap in it, and then you put it in the microwave for like a minute, and supposedly it's supposed to clean your beauty blender perfectly. I don't know if it works. So we're gonna test it out today. I have a few beauty blenders that I'm going to try. I'm gonna try the cheapest one first, just in case if something happens, because I'm frugal. So I'll meet you guys in the kitchen. So I got my cup with water, and obviously I'm going to be using some dish soap. Put that in there. Not sure how much exactly I need to use. Say hi, Juju. So I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit. Now I'm going to grab a beauty blender. I'm just doing what I saw in a video. Ew, look at that. Ew. Guys, that's disgusting. Alright, so they said a minute. So I can still see some foundation. Okay, so you can still see like the foundation and stuff on it, but I'm gonna run some cold water and if that does anything for it. Okay, so this one definitely did not really get clean at all. As you can see, you can still see the foundation and up here. So nothing really, happened to it, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna go use the roll techniques and see what happens. If I use a little bit more soap, I don't know. I did what they said. Oh. So the roll techniques really wasn't that dirty. The only part that was dirty was around here, and it's still kind of dirty and discolored or whatever. So I don't know if this is the right thing or way to clean a beauty blender. So I'm definitely gonna figure. Personally, I don't think the whole microwave beauty blender idea is anything special. I don't think it works personally. I will try to get it in the future after I do a little bit more research, I guess. I just don't think that it is the way of cleaning a beauty blender. I think that there's a better way out there. And you putting it in a microwave, I think is just a little gimmick or whatever. And I don't think it works personally, because obviously I tried it a couple times. I don't know. I've seen videos to where it works, and I've seen other videos to where it kind of doesn't work, and I've seen videos where it doesn't do anything, kind of like with mine. So leave your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you think it works, if you think it doesn't. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then give it a thumbs up also. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos. Thanks, guys.